Have you ever been confused by a complex idea? Well, you're not alone. We all come across complex concepts that seem difficult to grasp. But fear not, because we're going to show you a simple technique to break down those big ideas into smaller, more understandable pieces. Whether you're a beginner, a high school student, or even someone who just wants to understand things in simpler terms, we have our expert, ChatGPT, with us. So let's jump right in. Imagine a special power that ChatGPT has, the ability to explain things in a way that perfectly matches how well people understand and how old they are. This capability is known as the audience persona pattern, and it holds the key to unleashing the full potential of large language models. Instead of giving the model strict rules about what to say, we just tell it who it's talking to, and it does the rest. It uses its knowledge of the audience to make sure its responses are just right. It's like having a super smart mentor who always knows how to explain things in a way you'll understand. It's pretty amazing. Here's how it works. Imagine you're struggling with a complex topic and you turn to ChatGPT for help. All you have to do is add the phrase, "Explain it like I'm 5" to your prompt, and ChatGPT will unleash its expertise in simplifying things, making complex concepts easy to grasp. Let's put it to the test. What is quantum physics? Explain to me like I'm 5 years old. You can test this prompt and see how well ChatGPT can explain a difficult topic using simple words, when we ask it to explain like I am 5. But wait, there's more. We can even define personas with specific preferences or characteristics. For instance, let's say we ask the AI to explain large language models to a second grader who gets bored easily. The model will generate a response that captures the attention of a young audience, using engaging language and relatable examples. It's like having an interactive learning session with a robot friend. You can also try different variations. Let's ask AI to explain same question to a high school student, or we can ask explain like I am a beginner. And this changes everything. No more struggling with complicated subjects. ChatGPT is my new secret weapon for learning. If you didn't quite get the concept that it explained, you can also ask something like, "Can you explain it using simple vocabulary?" Now let's try this one. Please explain how photosynthesis works in plants. Use easy-to-understand vocabulary. Remember, I want to break complex concepts down to everyday words. Avoid using complex vocabulary. Let's run this prompt. Being able to tailor responses to your current level of understanding is a pretty remarkable thing and makes ChatGPT a wonderful tool to learn difficult topics. And that concludes our prompting technique for today. I trust that in the future, you'll no longer find yourself struggling with difficult subjects. Remember to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Until next time, happy prompting!